Samsung's upcoming plans for the One UI 7 beta program have left many in the tech community with mixed feelings. Rumors are circulating that the company may limit the Android 15 and One UI 7 beta testing exclusively to the Galaxy S24 series, skipping other popular devices like the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S22, Galaxy S21, and even the Galaxy S series. This news, if true, will likely disappoint users of these older devices who are hoping to get an early taste of the new features through the beta program. Instead, Samsung is said to be gearing up for the official stable release of One UI 7 in February 2024 for those devices. The leak comes from a trusted source at FamilyTs on X, formerly Twitter, who had previously shared details about the One UI 7 roadmap. According to their information, Samsung intends to reserve beta updates solely for the Galaxy S24 lineup, leaving older models to wait for the final version of One UI 7. However, there is some positive news for Galaxy S users. Samsung reportedly plans to ensure that every eligible Galaxy S smartphone receives the update to One UI 7 before the end of March 2024. So why is Samsung seemingly limiting the beta program to only the Galaxy S24 series? The answer likely lies in the timing of the software's release. The Galaxy S25 launch is just around the corner, and Samsung appears to be focusing all its efforts on ensuring that One UI 7 is fully optimized for the upcoming flagship model. By narrowing the scope of beta testing to just one device lineup, Samsung can speed up the process and ensure that the software is polished and ready for the Galaxy S25's launch, which is expected in early February. For users of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6, there's still no confirmation on whether they will be included in the beta program or not. With foldable devices becoming increasingly popular, it's possible that Samsung could roll out the update to them later, after the initial launch for the Galaxy S24 series. However, based on this rumor, it seems likely that the foldables will follow a similar fate to the Galaxy S series and may miss out on the beta testing phase. If Samsung sticks to this plan, the third One UI 7 beta update for the Galaxy S24 series could arrive sometime between December 30, 2023 and January 6, 2024. After that, there may be up to 3 more beta updates before the stable version of One UI 7 is ready for public rollout. This short beta phase, combined with a quick turnaround to the stable version, would allow Samsung to launch the final version just before the official unveiling of the Galaxy S25. It's easy to see why this decision could upset some users, especially those with older Galaxy S models who are looking forward to experiencing the latest features of One UI 7 in its beta form. However, Samsung's reasoning for this strategy seems sound. The company is under pressure to get the update out quickly, and with the Galaxy S25 launching soon, they may feel that focusing on a single lineup is the most efficient way to streamline the process. By limiting the beta to the Galaxy S24 series, Samsung can address any bugs or issues with the software quickly, ensuring that the final version is stable when it reaches users. While this move will certainly disappoint fans of older devices, there is some upside. The decision to prioritize the Galaxy S24 series means that the final version of One UI 7 will likely be polished and bug-free when it reaches those devices. The faster rollout also means that users will experience the update sooner, without having to wait for months of beta testing and bug fixes. In the grand scheme of things, Samsung's focus on delivering a refined, stable update for its newest flagship device could ultimately benefit users of other devices too. Once the Galaxy S24 series is up and running with One UI 7, the company will likely shift its attention to rolling out the update to the rest of the eligible devices. This means that while some devices may miss out on the beta testing phase, they won't be left behind for long. As always, it's important to remember that nothing is final until it's officially announced. The situation could change, and Samsung might decide to include older devices in the beta program at a later stage. We'll continue to monitor any new developments and keep you updated on the situation as it unfolds. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with the 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.